How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can convert HTML to text in n8n. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just, of course, add your trigger. It can work with any trigger that you want to. And from here, it's as easy as basically choosing a node. So I'm going to click on plus, and then you want to type something like extract with HTML, and then extract HTML content. You want to go ahead and make sure that the return value is text right here. So in my case, I already have it set up, which is going to be this one. The CSS selector is going to be body, and we have another options right here. And then of course, right after, you then have to put your format output. So just add anything that you want to, and simply from there, you're simply good to go. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.